Hidden camera spy gear doesn't get much better than this. The KJB Power Outlet Spy Cam shoots high quality video, records sound, and blends right in with the walls of your home or business. Now the camera actually sits in the bottom prong of the top outlet and can either take live video or snapshots. Below the camera, right here, is a passive infrared motion detector that picks up changes in heat, namely body heat. To To make sure the spy cam blends in with the rest of your wall's power outlets, it comes with two different facings, white and light beige. After you remove the cover, this is what the control panel looks like. And check out how easy it is to set up this device. We choose if we want to shoot in HD or VGA, decide if we want to record snapshots or take video, turn the microphone on or off. This switches to overwrite footage when the memory card is full, and then we power it on. The motion sensor is what triggers recording and will pick up motion from up to 15 feet away. The length of your videos will vary from 5 seconds to 2 minutes depending on the motion detection. And for snapshots, the spy cam will take 3 of them back to back every time the sensor is triggered. Now to show you the quality and capability, here's some actual footage from the camera. Innovative and powerful, this product is a great improvement to your home security system. Check out the product page on homesecuritystore.com for more information. I'm Jared Nelson.
Exquisite. Exclamatory. Excellent. Jackcom R4 Smart Ring. Jackcom R4 is entirely made of microcrystal ZR ceramics, undergoing 1400 degrees Celsius high sintering, 1,000 times of CNC polishing, and treated by CNC laser engraving. The low thermal conductivity endows it with a gentle touch sense as jade, with excellent refractive index, make it emitting unique rounded luster. Possess 4 times the hardness of aluminum alloy. Calmly deal with all kinds of scratches. Jackcom R4 carries with multiple sets of RFID chip modules, capable of simulating 4 contactless RFID cards. For example, access card, elevator card, parking card, time card, membership card, transportation card, and other inductive cards. Jackcom R4 is capable of operating different functions or sharing different information on Android and iOS platforms through 2 sets of NFC modules. For example, virtual call, quickly trigger a real-time call, create a proper reason for departure, avoid to be embarrassed for exit, see notification, quickly trigger multiple preset notifications, make family relieved, and provide more guarantee. Memo sharing, quickly share text messages, endows each encounter with full of color. Business card sharing, quickly share personalized business card, leaves deep impression on each courteous reception. The surprise will be much more than that. More featured apps will continue to be launched and will be updated synchronously for your device. What's more, Jackcom R4 has IP68 class waterproof performance and doesn't need charging. It can accompany you every single day. Jackcom. Just be the better for you.